My name's Roger Diller, and I'm coming to you from South Central Pennsylvania here in my garage. I'm a territory manager for Schluter-Systems, and I cover Western Pennsylvania as well as West Virginia. Today I want to talk about how to achieve a plumbing connection to our stainless steel linear drain when I don't have access from underneath. So there's two ways to achieve this. One of the simplest ways is if I can leave the riser pipe loose from the fitting below, I can pull that out, go ahead and cut it to length. I can take my clamping style fitting, put it on my stainless steel hub, also go ahead and put my PVC in there, take my ratchet, tighten up both clamps. Then I essentially have a glue fitting where I can just go ahead and glue that into place. So I glue up my riser pipe, glue up my connection below, and go ahead and set that directly into the P-trap below. So that's the one way to do it. The other way to do it is it's going to require a hole, a secondary hole drilled right in front of the plumbing access hole. So this would be in the event that the plumbing is already glued into place. I can't pull that out and tighten it up. So I'm going to go ahead and put my clamp style fitting onto my stainless steel hub, tighten it up. I'm going to position that over the pipe, slide it down over the pipe. Now I got this hole here. I went ahead and pre-drilled that. I'm going to take my ratchet, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to tighten up that bottom clamp. So that's how we're going to achieve the fitting. Now I would recommend that you go ahead and take a block, fit it in underneath there, go ahead and screw that tight, save the pieces that you cut out. I cut this out with a 4-inch hole saw, I saved the pieces, go ahead and put them back in and run a screw through it. That way I have good support underneath my tray or my mud bed, whatever I'm putting in here, but I have good support under there and I don't have a hole that could have the potential to cave in. So thanks for watching another tips and tricks version, and we'll see you again soon. Stay safe out there. Thank you.